If you're cracking your own neck like this, you're damaging it more than helping it. Here's the truth. When you twist your neck until it pops, you're not fixing the stuck joint. You're stretching the weak ligaments around it. That's why the relief only lasts a few minutes and the problem keeps coming back stronger. If you want to see relief right now, try this instead. Do 10 wall angels and then tuck your chin straight down and hold for 5 seconds. You'll feel the muscles reset without forcing the joints. But if you're still waking up stiff every morning, that means your spine is actually locked and no amount of self-cracking will fix it. That's when you know it's time to see a chiropractor just like me. DM me help and let's see how can we help you.